Welcome everyone. Today we will do technical analysis of 4 altcoins. They are ICP, SEI, TRB and METIS. Each one will be followed by whiteboard animation so that you can understand the coins better. Our first altcoin for today is ICP.
247 million ICP is locked in staking for 8 years, while total supply is only 511 million, which means that 48% of ICP is locked for 8 years. Whenever ICP is transferred, little amount of ICP is always burnt in the form of transaction fees. This means that the ICP coin is indeed deflationary, reducing its supply every day. Staking wallets get voting rewards at ROI of 16%, but only if they participate in voting.
You can see that ICP has a huge point of control at 13.5, and above also it has a point of control, that is POC, at 15.7. Technically it will be difficult to go beyond this point of control as they have very huge volume at these levels. It will be better to place buy orders once we surpass this point of control. So you can place a buy order above 15.78. This is not a financial advice. While the stop loss can be below 13.5, that is, you can place it at 13.3. There is a huge buy order waiting on ICP over here at 13.77. It is of 48,000 ICP. So you can plan a stop loss below this level. ICP has increasing open interest right now. So people are interested in making orders in ICP. So this is a good sign to make the purchase. The Bitcoin dominance is at very high levels right now, and we can expect the dominance to go down while the altcoin dominance can increase, and we can see a huge rally in altcoins at this point of time. You can check the reasons for ICP's recent upside rally in this short whiteboard animation.
Recently, ICP has gained popularity and price rise due to Ethereum integration, and soon many more chains will be integrated into ICP for trading, swapping and transfers. Also, the ICP chain enabled Web3 games to be hosted 100% on ICP blockchain. The Web3 games will load up fast due to the CDN. Web developers can host websites entirely on-chain for just $1, providing a fast and decentralized alternative, as the worldwide ICP nodes will act as content delivery network. ICP chain offers a secure and cost-effective solution for managing Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can hold your own Bitcoin or Ethereum in ICP chain with private keys, swap with minimal fees, and even send and receive Bitcoin or Ethereum for very low fee. ICP does not use bridges, as bridges can be hacked. Instead, ICP uses its own nodes to transmit Bitcoin to the original Bitcoin nodes. I have a separate video about ICP in detail. You can watch it for more info on ICP.
Today's second altcoin is SEI. SEI has gained the upside rally due to the recent tweets by popular Twitter accounts, as can be seen over here. This huge cluster of tweets resulted in the popularity among traders, which in turn increased the market cap and price of SEI. This always happens after the coins get tweeted by popular Twitter accounts. Let me show you the technical analysis for SEI. We can see that SEI has a huge point of control down below at 0.35. If we zoom in the chart, we can see the recent point of control that can be considered is at 0.599. So you can place a stop loss below this level. To the upside, it has point of control at 0.7522. Selling will not be a good decision right now, but if you want, you can wait for the coin to bypass this level and then you can place a buy order over here, but this is not a financial advice. Currently, there is a very huge selling order for 1 million SEI at this point. It is 0.7920. You can see this is the huge sell order right now waiting over here. SEI has increased open interest right now, and so it is a good time to trade in SEI. You can wait for this point of control to be surpassed and then it can be purchased.
You have to understand that SEI has transaction completion of 250 milliseconds, that is quarter of a second, making it faster than Solana transactions.
This is why SEI can overtake Solana easily.
SEI is a relatively new cryptocurrency launched in August 2023. It's a Layer-1 blockchain specifically designed for trading, aiming to solve the trilemma of scalability, security, and decentralization that plagues many other blockchains. People say that SEI can compete with Nasdaq. SEI is kind of centralized as it has a very huge VC backing. Some people do not like the coin if it has VC backing and if it is centralized. But you should see that this coin is just 4 months old and it can leave Solana way behind. Besides, Solana is also backed by VCs. Solana went from 50 cents to $260 in last bull run, while SEI is yet to see the bull run, and people say it can also reach the same heights of Solana. Unlike other blockchains that try to be everything to everyone, SEI is laser-focused on providing the best possible infrastructure for trading. SEI can handle a large number of transactions per second, making it ideal for busy trading environments. SEI uses a delegated proof-of-stake DPoS consensus mechanism, which is more energy efficient and scalable than proof-of-work (POW). SEI is already listed on the top 3 exchanges, that is Binance, Coinbase, and Kraken. Recently, level 1 blockchain coins are outperforming the markets, and so I think SEI will easily outperform most of the crypto coins and tokens.
Today's third altcoin is Telor, that is TRB. We can see that it has got a huge downside. Right now, TRB is stable over here, and it means that the Telor has got a good resistance over here, and it is a good opportunity to purchase. If you have already purchased or you are going to buy Telor, then you can consider 285 as the resistance, and you can exit below this level because you have a huge point of control at 285. Right now, Telor has huge sellers at the price of 233 and 260. Also, there is a noticeable buy order at 156 waiting to be executed. The open interest in Telor has increased due to the huge pump and dump.
Telor is a cryptocurrency that powers a decentralized Oracle network. In simpler terms, Telor helps smart contracts on blockchains to access external data like prices, sports scores, weather updates, or any other type of information needed via the Oracle. Telor is a permissionless network where anyone can participate as a data reporter or validator and get incentivized or paid in TRB coins. This creates a feedback loop that ensures the quality of the data feed. Telor is a 4-year-old coin now, but the recent price rise was phenomenal as TRB coin went from $8 to $600 within 4 months, and then reports are that whales transferred $2 million worth TRB to the exchange, resulting in a price drop from $600 back to $150.
Today's fourth altcoin will be METIS DAO.
METIS DAO provides tools and features for dApp development and ecosystem growth, blurring the lines and venturing towards Layer 3 functionalities. METIS DAO offers several additional features and tools like NFT marketplaces, bridges to other blockchains, and middleware modules. These elements contribute to building a broader ecosystem focused on decentralized applications, dApps, and Web3 functionality. This aspect extends beyond just Layer 2 scaling and could be considered closer to a Layer 3 framework that facilitates application development and interaction. METIS DAO cannot be classified as Layer 1 as it is a hybrid beast for Layer 2, Layer 3 that is Web3 and also has a DAO. METIS DAO is a multi-layered project. At its core, METIS is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum using optimistic rollups for faster transactions and lower fees. But METIS is also a decentralized autonomous organization that is DAO, where token holders govern the protocol and take decisions for the blockchain's development, pushing it beyond just Layer 2 scaling. METIS has seen a huge rally recently. In my opinion, there are other new Layer 2 solutions that are better than METIS, as METIS is old as it was launched in May 2021.
There is not much technical analysis about this as it is not on huge exchanges yet, but you can see the open interest in METIS DAO is decreasing right now, and so I will stay out of METIS DAO. If you liked the video, then hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see me tomorrow.